Power Map is a three-dimensional visualization tool for charting data against a virtual globe. Using Power Map, I can often discover insights into data that might be hidden in other charts and diagrams. Power Map is an add-in that was installed when I activated Power Pivot. A Power map is not displayed as sheet within the workbook. Instead, it opens within a new window containing its own ribbon and menu commands. However, like the data model, a Power map is attached within the workbook and can be accessed at any time using the Power Map tools. The Power Map window is organized into four sections. The tour editor contains the list of maps in the Power Map window, each of which is called a tour. The map pane displays the map of the data and includes controls to rotate and zoom in or out of the map. The field lists window contains the list of tables and fields that can be applied to the map. The layer pane contains the fields used to construct a layer of graphic objects over the map. A single map can contain multiple layers. I want to see a map showing the location of the customers who purchased products from the store over the past 1 year. I will create a 3D map using Power Map to display customers' zip codes. I first check Power Map is installed or not. Right click on the ribbon, click Customize the ribbon. Click Add-ins, select Com Add-ins, click Go. Check the Microsoft Power Map for Excel if it is not checked. Click OK. Click Insert tab in Tours group. Click 3D Map arrow button. Click on Open 3D Maps. Click on New Tour. I resize the window. The Power Map window opens, showing a world map and a list of tables and fields in the data model. This list is the list of data model fields. Power Map maps are arranged in the tour pane. In the field list box, drag the customer zip code field from the customer orders table into the location box in the layer pane. Drag this field in the location box. Power Map begins to populate the map with a marker for each location of a customer. Drag this box in this position, zoom in. Each marker represents a customer. These buttons are called rotation controls and these two buttons are called zoom controls. I change the markers representing each customer to columns whose heights represents the total number of items ordered by customers at each zip code. Drag the item quantity from the products purchased table in the height box and drag the city name field in the customer orders detail table in the category box. Drag this field. This box shows the name of each city. Delete this box. Click on Zoom button. Point on any column. It shows the customer zip code and city name. It also shows the sum of item quantity. Use the rotational controls To rotate the map view in 3-dimensional. To remove tour pane in Home tab, View Group, click Tour Editor. To remove Field List box, click Field List button. Similarly, to remove Layer pane, click Layer pane button. So I can view the map in the full window. To see again tour pane, click Tour Editor, and again see Layer pane, click Layer pane button. And to see Field List, click Field List button. In this way, Power Map is used in an Excel worksheet. I have finished extracting data from a variety of data sources and finding patterns and relationships with those data.